In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn Mobile. Before we start, a quick note for clarity. On the LinkedIn mobile app, you can't create new articles. Article creation is only available on LinkedIn in a web browser. So for this walkthrough, we'll assume you've already written and published your article on LinkedIn using a browser, and now you want to share the link from your phone. Go ahead and open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. On your home feed, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. When your menu opens, tap your profile icon again to view your profile. From here, tap Add Section, then under Recommended, choose Add Featured. This is where you can showcase important content on your profile, like posts, links, and of course, your article. In the Featured area, tap the plus icon at the top right, then select Add an Article. If your article is already associated with your account, you'll see it available to select. Tap the article you want to share. Once your article is open, you have two straightforward options to share it. First, you can send it directly to your connections on LinkedIn. Look for the Send button at the bottom right. Tap it, then choose the people you want to share the link with. You can scroll through suggestions or type a name to search for a specific person. Keep in mind that if the person isn't a connection, sending it through LinkedIn messages may require a premium subscription, since reaching non-connections typically uses InMail. Your second option is to copy the article's link and share it anywhere. To do that, tap the three dots at the top right of the article, then select Share Via. From here, you can copy the link to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste it into social media posts, emails, or messaging apps. Alternatively, you can share directly to apps installed on your device, like your preferred chat or social media app, using the share sheet that appears. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother: make sure you're logged into the same account that published the article, and confirm the article's visibility is set the way you want, so people you share it with can access it without issues. Adding the article to your featured section also helps it stay visible on your profile for anyone who visits. And that's it. Now you know how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn Mobile. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.